This is my 1982 Datsun 210 that I'm currently trying to make roadworthy. These are the 13-inch steel rims that came with it from the factory. I've repainted them before, and the last time was over 30 years ago. At one point, I had two of them sandblasted back to bare metal, but I'll sand, prime, and paint these last two by myself. I don't really have any tools that are specific for automotive bodywork, so I'll make do with what I have. 60 grit sandpaper will remove most of the rust and nicks, and then I'll move on to finer grades of sanding discs. At this point, I'm using 220 grit paper to feather the exposed edges into the surrounding painted areas. This is pretty good. I still need to remove the valve stem, but I'm nearly done with the prep work. Compressed air would be nice to clean off the sanding dust, but a leaf blower works well too. I'll use a little bit of mineral spirits to clean the surface before I move on to a high build primer that will help fill in any remaining sanding marks. The primer dries pretty quickly, and now I can lightly sand before moving on to the silver base color. I blew away the dust from sanding the gray primer. I wiped the rim down with a damp tack cloth, and now it's time for silver. I'm using 1000 grit paper to wet sand before I apply a final coat of a clear protective glossy finish. These look pretty good, even from a foot or two away. If you're closer than that, dude, step away from the car. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and until next time, this has been Bob's Workshop. Take care.